Introduce highlight features and quick overview of JIAWANSHUN automatic robotic pool cleaner with filter basket and wall climbing function 220 volts. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Used for swimming pool cleaning of about 600 square meters, carefully clean your swimming pool to avoid the accumulation of impurities at the bottom of the pool affecting your health. Our robotic pool cleaner can calculate the most efficient working route according to the swimming pool situation. It also comes with a wall climbing function that allows staff to save time and effort. When in use, only need to connect the power supply, put it into the water to start operation. Using 24-volt DC single motor, it can work safely even underwater. The filtering capacity of the filter bag is particularly strong. The filtering accuracy can reach 50 microns, and even the small dust suspended in the bottom of the pool can be sucked away. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.